Let's do a little dismount. Turbo dismount. Da, 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 da. I know this is probably copyrighted, but who cares? It's cool. Yes. Yay, everyone died. Darn it. Oh. Excuse me, people. Oh. Now you know I'm a failure. You'll see which level this is if you have the game. I'll show you a different camera years later. This is what I see. Ooh. Let's watch that in Character Canyon. Obviously I fell off. I was literally on the top. And there's my dead body. Can't see it. It's that little white or gray speck. Da 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 da. 2 minutes long. I'm gonna see if I can keep my videos up to 20 minutes. No, I usually don't, but different. This is gonna be. Look at my high score. Let's get out of here, Bob. This is gonna be awesome. Here's the map. Ooh, are there snowplows? I want to get decapitated. And go, Bob! Bob, Bob. Don't fail me. And if you want that to be my YouTube, sorry. Goodbye.